Welcome. My name is Miguel, and we are the Storytellers of Plaza de la Familia. We are happy to see you here tonight as we celebrate the heartwarming story of Coco. In this wonderful story, a 12-year-old boy named Miguel sets off on an extraordinary adventure to the land of the dead, where he unlocks an age-old family mystery. Miguel's journey begins in Mexico, where he lives in the small town of Santa Cecilia with a very big family, and he shares a special bond with his great-grandmother, Coco. The Rivera family are proud shoemakers, a tradition started by Coco's mother when her husband left home to become a famous musician and never returned. Since that fateful day, music has been banned in the Rivera household. No music! Now, Miguel loves his family, and he respects tradition, but deep in his heart, he has a secret. He doesn't dream of making shoes. No! Miguel dreams of singing and playing the guitar. Just like us, his passion is music! And this song that Miguel sings tells the whole world exactly how he feels. Señoras y señores, buenas tardes, buenas noches, buenas tardes, buenas noches, señoritas y señores, to be here with you tonight, we can join que alegría, for this music is my language, and the world is mi familia. For this music is my language, and the world is mi familia. For this music is my language, and the world is mi familia. Vamos, todos! Ahora sí! All right, Plaza, are you ready? Come on, let's celebrate together. Clap your hands. All right. Eso. Vamos, Coco. Vamos, vestidas. Señoras y señores, buenas tardes, buenas noches, buenas tardes, buenas noches, señoritas y señores. To be here with you tonight, we can join que alegría, for this music is my language, and the world is mi familia. For this music is my language, and the world is mi familia. For this music is my language, and the world is mi familia. Now, our little Miguel doesn't want to be just any musician. He wants to be like the most famous musician in all of Mexico. The late, great Ernesto de la Cruz. You see, Miguel had learned to play the guitar by watching the classic films of this renowned musical star. Over and over, Miguel watched Ernesto's films, and as he practiced each chord, he heard his idol say, I have to sing, I have to play. The music, it's not just in me, it is me. See, and with this next song, Ernesto de la Cruz made the whole world fall in love with him. Remember me, though I have to sing goodbye. Remember me, don't let it make you cry. For even if I'm far away, I hold you in my heart. I sing a secret song to you each night we are apart. Remember me, though I have to travel far. Remember me, each time you hear a Santa Cecilia, no one could forget the charismatic De La Cruz, especially on Dia de los Muertos. The Day of the Dead is a special time when we gather to honor family and friends who have passed on. We create an ofrenda, a memorial altar to our departed loved ones. We set out photos, flowers, candles, and a path of marigolds to light their way home. And so, it is on the eve of this family holiday that Miguel discovers a torn photo, which leads him to believe that his forgotten great-great-grandfather is actually Ernesto de la Cruz. What? See, Ernesto! Miguel runs to his family, and he joyfully announces, "I was born to be a musician!" But his family is outraged.
No music!
And his abuelita smashes his guitar to pieces. Heartbroken and angry, he runs off to Ernesto's grave. He finally grabs the musician's guitar and strums it with all his might. Suddenly, Miguel finds himself crossing an enormous bridge of marigold petals that takes him into the land of the dead. A magical world where no living person has ever been. Miguelito! There you are. Everyone, say, "Hola, Miguel!" Okay, now, this is the moment in Miguel's fantastical journey where he meets a charming trickster named Hector, who helps him find the courage to fulfill his musical destiny. No, wait, you can do it. Yes, with some encouragement. Let's encourage Miguel, everyone, come on! Miguel seizes the moment! Go on! I know you can do it. Vamos, chamaco! Yes, sir! And for the very first time, Miguel performs this song before a live audience that happens to be dead.
What color is the sky? Ay, mi amor, ay, mi amor. You tell me that it's red, ay, mi amor, ay, mi amor. Where should I put my shoes? Ay, mi amor, ay, mi amor. You say, put them on your head, ay, mi amor, ay, mi amor.
You make me loco, loco, un poquitito loco. The way you keep me guessing, I'm counting and guessing, I'm counting as a blessing that I only
Eso, Miguel, tócale. Échale, Miguelito. Así mero. Vámonos. No se oye, compa.
You make me un poco loco, un poquitito loco.
I'm nodding and I'm guessing. I'm counting.
As a blessing that I only
The loco that you made me is just super crazy.
the sense that you're not making, the liberties you're taking, these mindfulness are taking. You're just un poco loco. Come on, Miguelito. Vamos, chamaco. Un poquitito loco. Un poquitito loco. Bravo, amigo! I'm so proud of you, Miguelito. Miguel's incredible adventures led him to solve the Rivera family mystery. Hector was actually his forgotten great-great-grandfather and the musician who wrote Remember Me. And so, music was welcomed back into the Rivera family. And Miguel became the musician he was born to be. On Dia de los Muertos, the everlasting bonds of family unite at Plaza de la Familia. Thank you all so much for joining us this evening. Have a good night. Adios. Nos vemos. Bye. Bye-bye, everyone. Hey, Miguelito, you're a big star, amigo.
Muchas gracias. Thank you for joining us for a musical celebration of Coco. May you continue to enjoy Plaza de la Familia, a celebration of Coco and the everlasting bonds of family here at Paradise Gardens.